I am going to show you how you can get Sims 4 Studio working if you play Sims 4 Studio, or shit, if you play Sims 4 on Linux. This was a trip and a half because in one of the last steps, when doing the settings and trying to find my Sims 4, excuse my phone, trying to find the Sims 4 path, I kept trying to link the directory to the exe and not the actual Sims 4 folder. And I was like confused because I was like, why is my content, like, why is my game content not showing up? Because my stupid, oh, we'll get to that. Okay. First and foremost, also thank my my new boyfriend for helping me with this because I would not have been able to do this without him. I'm a little scared to delete all this because I have. Let me check. Let me check something. Okay, I'm going to, because I like to be able to give a step-by-step visual tutorial because some people learn that way. Okay, not configure. Good God. The things that you will need for this project, I will show you. So, you are going to need, you're not going to need this, and you're not going to need this, so let me just clear this right now. You are going to need Windows Desktop Runtime 6.0.36 and install Sims 4 Studio. You can, ooh, shoot, I think I forgot. Whatever, you can find that yourself. It's a pain in the ass to try to find the download for this, so if I can, I will link the download in the description so it makes it easier on you. The website that you will need, I wrote everything down in a Google Doc, make this easier on myself, but I will link this in the description, but you need to go here to get the exe for the 6.0.36. Anyway, so of course, press this little plus button, install Windows. I'm gonna do Sims 4. Okay, making sure that the identifier is the exact same because that's going to be important for later. It's a surprise tool that can help us later. You want to select your install Sims 4 Studio exe. Install. Wait for it to do its thing. Let me move this back over to my second monitor so I can shoot. Okay, I don't know how long that's gonna take. Oh. Is it doing anything? Okay, I don't know how long that's gonna... okay. Accept the EULA, even though no one's reading that. No one wants to. Some people might, I don't know. But I don't. I know I don't. Alright, you'll get this error. Now, this is an easy error to fix, hence why we have the .NET exe, but we'll get to that in a minute. You want to open up your terminal, go to console. First, you will input this command. Now, some of these commands I will not be able to explain to you because I don't know how they work. I just know that they do the things they need to do to make shit work, and that's all that y'all need to know. So y'all, whatever your wine prefix is for Sims 4 Studio, you want to put that here. One thing I did learn, the tilde is here for, it basically, I guess, tells Bash that, like, that's your home directory or whatever. But you want to put the directory for your prefix for Sims 4 Studio in the quotations and do winetricks.net 6. I don't know if this is actually necessary or not. I already have this. I don't know if this is necessary or not, but I did this first anyway because that'll eliminate that first error. So just let this do its thing. Install. This shouldn't take very long. Close. Install again. Close. And there's that. Cool. We have that installed already. So next, this is, oh shoot. You want to go back here. This little arrow beside play. Click configure, game options, and just reset the executable again. So that way it knows what it's trying to play. Just give it a moment. I was gonna pause. Do this, do that, do this. It will not create a duplicate install. Don't worry about that. This is just part of the process. Then you'll get this error. And that's where the other shit comes in. Hold on, let me open LibreWolf. No, there's no. Oh, I was gonna close that, but I'm not gonna do that. So you want to do cd tilde / quotations downloads, or wherever you put the Sims 4 Studio installer exe. And then I'm not gonna type all this out. I'm gonna paste it. Wine prefix =, tilde. Well, me saying it, I might as well have just typed it out. But you see what this is. Basically, what my boyfriend told me was that the reason why you have this here, because you're telling Wine exactly where you want to install this to. I don't know. He's more of an expert than me. Like I said, I will not be able to explain the technicality behind all this code and stuff. I'm just doing the stuff that works. And hopefully it works for you as well. So just press enter. It's gonna do its little thing. Just give it, yep, install. Close. Okay, I thought there was gonna be a second install. Nope, I guess not. Now we can play, and hopefully everything will work out in our favor, except the EULA, even though no one's reading all that shit. I am not reading all that. There it is. Now we go to our settings. I already have this set. This may vary. Now the reason why I use this path here instead of .steam, Debian installations, Steam apps, compat, all that junk. The reason why I didn't use that was because there's a dash in Debian installation, and when I type a dash, this little thing pops up, and I think that was causing a problem at first. So I use home my user .steam, Steam apps, comment, The Sims 4. Now with the Wine file manager, they can't. Why did I say they? It can't see dot folders like .steam, .var, or whatever the fuck. I don't even know. Let me see. Yeah, shit like that. It can't see it. So, but it doesn't matter because you can still paste. You can still paste a directory here anyway. As far as Blender is concerned, I haven't done this yet, and I don't really plan to right now. But if you want to, and if you're smart, you could probably figure that out on your own. So just make sure everything is saved here. Now, if I were to, now there was an issue that this is the part where I had started crashing out, because what I did was I put, hold on, I'm just gonna go back in my Discord messages. I put home, melon, Steam apps. I put the exe for in that little slot. I don't know why I was doing that. It literally, oh my god. It'll say, I'll just show you. It'll say like unable to detect Sims 4 folder. Sims 4 folder is the keyword there. And my dumb ass self, I went there and did this. Why did I do that? I don't know. Anyway, but the first time that you change this or add anything to it, it's going to say the changes that you have may require you to restart the Sims 4 Studio. Would you like to do this now? Press yes. Just and when the Wine file manager opens, just scroll and double click Sims 4 Studio.exe, and it'll load. It'll say unable to find the Sims 4 because my dumbass self, put the fucking exe in here. It's fine. It's fixed. It's fine. That's what we have this for. I'm just gonna copy this. I'm gonna paste it. Save. Yes, and do that thing again. Double click Sims 4 Studio.exe. Close this because it's clutter. Close this because it's also clutter. And that should do it. Just to show you that it works. Oh boy, it's going to take a minute to load. The first time that I did this. But yeah, all the stuff shows up here. Maybe a little slow, but that's to be expected. I was about to say, what just happened? It's going to be a little slow, a little bit laggy, but that's to be expected. But everything should be there. Everything should work. And that's pretty much it. I got that done within 10 minutes. I hope this was helpful for you, and if it was, be sure to leave a like and let me know if it worked. If not, I don't know if I'll be able to help, but I can definitely try. But yeah. Anyway, see ya.